Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn off app notifications on iPhone. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Notifications. Scroll down and find the app. Tap on the app. Under Alert section, you can find different notification types. Uncheck the circle to turn it off. You can turn off sounds and badges by using the toggle button next to it. Toggle the button next to Allow Notifications to turn off all notifications. This is how you can turn off app notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching.